Imagine a life where you are in control, where you accomplish tasks with ease, and where productivity is second nature. Welcome to 10 life-changing hacks you need to try this weekend. Picture this. You're mastering your time with the 2-minute rule, you're prepping meals like a seasoned chef, you're recharging with a 20-minute power nap, and you're tackling a 30-day challenge with gusto. These are not just ordinary tips. These are life hacks designed to revolutionize your everyday routine. Are you ready to revolutionize your life? Let's dive right in. Hack number 1. The 2-minute rule is simple but incredibly powerful. Now here's the deal with this rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. Don't put it off, don't delay, just get it done. There's a certain magic in tackling these quick tasks head-on, you see. Firstly, it helps you prevent the monster of procrastination from rearing its head. By doing things immediately, you're not just crossing tasks off your list, you're also building a habit of action, of doing, which is in itself a powerful antidote against procrastination. Secondly, it helps maintain a tidy environment, both physically and mentally. By quickly dealing with small tasks, you're keeping your space and your mind clutter-free. It's like taking a broom to the corners of your life on a daily basis. Remember, if it takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. It's a game changer. Our second hack is all about mastering your kitchen. Meal prep like a pro. You see, meal prepping is the art of planning, preparing, and packaging your meals in advance, usually for the upcoming week. This simple yet transformative practice is your ticket to saving heaps of time and money. Imagine no more last-minute unhealthy takeouts or expensive ready meals. Instead, you'll have a fridge full of delicious home-cooked meals ready to go at a moment's notice. But the benefits extend beyond the practical. Meal prepping can also be a game changer for your health. By taking control of what you eat, you're able to make conscious, healthier choices. It's easier to incorporate more fruits and veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains when you're the one in the driver's seat. So, with meal prep, you're not only saving time and money, but you're also taking a huge step towards a healthier lifestyle. Now let's move on to our third hack, the Pomodoro Technique. This ingenious strategy is named after a tomato-shaped kitchen timer, Pomodoro being the Italian word for tomato. The concept is simple but powerful. Work with the time, not against it. So, how does this technique work? You work for a solid 25 minutes, that's one Pomodoro, and then reward yourself with a 5-minute break. This cycle helps maintain mental agility and stave off fatigue. It's a way of structuring your time to ensure you're consistently productive while also giving your brain the short rests it needs to stay sharp. The Pomodoro technique is a game changer for those who feel overwhelmed by large tasks or prolonged periods of focused work. By breaking down your work into manageable intervals, this method can help increase your productivity, reduce feelings of burnout, and make any task seem achievable. With the Pomodoro technique, productivity isn't a marathon, it's a series of effective sprints. Our fourth hack is a morning routine that can transform your entire day. The Miracle Morning Routine. This powerful approach is all about starting your day on a positive note. It involves 6 practices, neatly summed up in the acronym SAVERS. Silence is your first step. This means starting your day with a peaceful meditation or just some quiet time to yourself. Then comes affirmations, where you speak positive truths about yourself and your goals. Visualization is next. Imagine your day unfolding successfully, achieving whatever it is you set out to do. Then exercise. Even a short burst of physical activity can get your blood pumping and energy soaring. Reading is the next step. Immerse yourself in knowledge, wisdom, or inspiration. Finally, scribing or writing down your thoughts, ideas, or feelings. Start your day with the Miracle Morning Routine and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Our fifth hack is a principle that can revolutionize your productivity, the 80-20th rule. Also known as the Pareto principle, the 80-20th rule is a game changer for productivity enthusiasts. This principle suggests that a whopping 80% of your results come from a mere 20% of your efforts. Quite astounding, isn't it? Imagine a world where you could identify that precious 20% and focus your energy there. Wouldn't that be a productivity paradise? The trick is in recognizing and prioritizing the tasks that yield the highest results. It could be anything from a particular business strategy to a type of workout or even a habit that boosts your mood and energy levels. Once you've identified your high-yield tasks, double down on them. Allocate more time, energy, and resources to these tasks and watch your productivity skyrocket. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. That's the power of the 80-20th rule. Hack number 6 is a unique method to establish good habits. The habit stacking method. Now, what is this method all about? Simply put, it's about attaching a new habit to an existing one, making it easier to adopt. Let's imagine that you already have a daily habit of drinking a cup of coffee every morning. You want to start reading more, so you stack this new habit onto your existing one. Now, every time you have your morning coffee, you also read a few pages of a book. But why does this work? Well, it's all down to the psychology of habit formation. You see, our brains are wired to create patterns, and when an action is repeated enough, it becomes automatic. By tying a new habit to an existing one, we're essentially piggybacking off the established neural pathway, making it easier for the new habit to stick. With the habit stacking method, building new habits becomes a breeze. Our 7th hack is a simple practice with profound effects, the 5-minute journal. This little habit, though seemingly insignificant, can lead to monumental shifts in your mindset and consequently, your life. The 5-minute journal is about focusing on gratitude, setting daily goals, and engaging in self-reflection. Imagine starting your day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for. This simple act of acknowledging your blessings can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life. Then set your intentions for the day by jotting down 3 goals. This helps you stay focused and productive. Finally, end your day with self-reflection, noting the amazing things that happened and how you could have made the day even better. This practice can improve your mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. It also boosts your productivity by keeping you goal-oriented. Remember, small actions lead to big changes. Just 5 minutes a day with your journal can positively transform your mindset and productivity. Hack number 8 is a technique to conquer email overwhelm, the inbox zero technique. Picture this, an email inbox that's always at zero. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's achievable with this technique. The idea is to keep your email inbox empty or nearly empty at all times. How does it work? It's simple. Every time you check your email, you take action on each message. You either delete it, delegate it, respond to it, defer it, or do it. This way, you handle each email once and once only, eliminating the need for constant inbox revisiting. Why is this important? An overflowing inbox can be a major source of stress and distraction. By keeping your inbox at zero, you reduce anxiety and increase your efficiency. You're in control, not your inbox. With the inbox zero technique, email becomes a tool, not a taskmaster. Our 9th hack is a simple yet powerful way to recharge your energy, the 20-minute power nap. This isn't just about catching some Z's in the middle of the day. It's about strategic rest that boosts your energy, improves your mood, and enhances your productivity. How does a power nap achieve all this? Well, a short nap can significantly reduce sleepiness, increase alertness, and improve cognitive performance. But the key is to keep it brief. We're talking 20 minutes tops. Any longer and you risk drifting into deeper stages of sleep, leaving you feeling groggy afterwards. To take an effective power nap, find a quiet, comfortable spot, set an alarm to avoid oversleeping, and try to nap in the early afternoon when most people naturally experience a dip in energy. And there you have it. A quick snooze can do wonders for your productivity. Remember, a quick power nap can be the recharge you need to power through your day. Our final hack is a challenge that can help you establish new habits or break old ones, the 30-day challenge. This is a simple yet powerful tool to create lasting change. The idea is to commit to a positive action, habit, or change for 30 consecutive days. The beauty of this challenge lies in its simplicity and flexibility. You can choose anything, from reading for 20 minutes a day to running a mile, or even meditating. The key to success here is consistency. By repeating the chosen action every day, you're creating a pattern, a habit loop that your brain will eventually adopt. This makes the action feel more natural over time, less like a chore and more like a part of your routine. To effectively follow through, start with a clear and achievable goal. Be consistent and remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take on a 30-day challenge and watch as you transform your life one day at a time. And there you have it, 10 life-changing hacks you can start implementing this weekend. From mastering your mornings with the Miracle Morning Routine, to boosting productivity with the 80-20 rule, or even taking a power nap for rejuvenation, each hack is designed to enhance your daily life, making it more efficient and fulfilling. Don't hesitate to try at least one of these techniques and share your experiences. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So, why not start making those changes today? Good luck, and here's to a more productive, fulfilling life.